Halco's LED HID filament lamp series offers a powerful, cost-effective solution for replacing traditional HID or high-intensity discharge lamps. These high-performance lamps combine the energy efficiency and long life of LED technology to provide immediate savings. With an optimized lamp size and superior 360-degree light distribution, the LED HID filament lamps deliver the look and feel of traditional HID lamps. To reduce damage to the lamps during shipping, the lens was designed with a unique stabilization notch for maximum durability. Powered by cutting-edge, high-power LED filament technology housed in a durable full-glass bulb, these lamps are a reliable solution for both indoor and outdoor applications. These lamps feature field-adjustable lumen output, with lumen options ranging from 3,000 to 16,500 lumens to deliver up to 195 lumens per watt. Halco's LED HID filament lamps are offered in dedicated color temperatures of 2200 Kelvin, 3000 Kelvin, 4000 Kelvin, and 5000 Kelvin. This series boasts a variety of wattages ranging from 20 watts to 85 watts, delivering powerful performance with equivalents to 70 watts, 320 watts, 400 watts, and 450 watts. These filament lamps offer E26 and E39 base options for maximum versatility and flexibility. The base is designed to easily screw into most fixtures, bypassing the ballast for a quick and efficient installation when replacing traditional HID or corncob HID lamps. Halco's new LED HID filament bulbs are ideal for applications like office parks, commercial buildings, and universities. The flexible design and durable wet location construction can be used in a multitude of fixtures like lamp posts, high bays, wall packs, shoebox, and dusk to dawn. Halco's LED HID filament lamp series has an L70 lifetime greater than 50,000 hours, exceptional heatsink capabilities, and can withstand operating temperatures ranging from -30 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius. These lamps are RoHS and FCC Part 15 compliant, as well as ETL listed for wet locations. Halco's E39 base options are certified to the DLC 5.1 standard. Combining efficient LED technology, durable housing, and field-selectable lumen output, this versatile, cost-saving lamp series is designed to replace traditional HID lamps in both indoor and outdoor applications. For more information on Halco's LED HID filament lamp series or other great products, visit www.halcolighting.com and follow us on social media.